the sun go at night? Do you know where the sun goes?
Down.
Down? Good. Okay. Could you become a boy if you wanted to? No. No. Why couldn't you?
Because I'm a girl.
Yeah, good job. Okay. Do you know what clouds are made of?
Sun.
What? You can't think of it? No? Okay, we can skip that one. How old do you think I am? Can you guess? No, you don't know. Do you want me to tell you? I'm 18.
18.
I'm old, aren't I?
What one is her?
She's 17. Or no, she's
18.
18. Just
18.
kidding. You're 18 now. I was thinking. Okay. Where do dreams come from?
In your mouth.
In your mouth? In your mouth? Oh, good job. Does your mommy have a mommy? Yeah. Is that your grandma? No. No. All right. Were your parents ever little like you are? Yeah. Good job. And what makes the leaves fall off the trees?
It wins.
The wind. Good job. Okay. We're done with that one.
Oh, we forgot to ask her how old she was.
Oh, right. Aubrey, how old are you? You're 3 years old.
3?
All right.
Okay.
I'm almost 4.
Almost 4? Such a big girl.
And when do you turn 4?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Only 2 weeks and it'll be my birthday. After Lincoln's going to be my birthday.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right.